Hey there! Welcome to Appmaker FAQ series. Today we're going to discuss the frequently asked questions about the push notifications feature of Appmaker. Let's kickstart with the most frequently asked question. Question: what is a push notification? And how does it work? Push notifications are messages sent through the mobile app to your customer's device to keep them informed. It is an efficient mode of continuous communication with your customers. Push notifications usually pop up on the customer's Android or iOS mobile devices. You can deliver timely updates and keep your customers up to date with what's new with the business providers. This way, you can even get the attention of your customers even when they're not using your app. What are the types of push notifications that I can use for my e-commerce business? Wouldn't it be amazing if you were able to create a tiny personalized message for a user or a group of users that may excite them or add some value? Well, here are some of the types which are suitable for different contexts. 1. Transactional notifications. Notify customers about the status of any transaction that they have performed in your app. 2. Promotional notifications. Prompt the user to make the purchase from your app by sending them any time-bound offers or upcoming sales events. 3. Life cycle notifications. You can personalize push notifications to various levels of customer life cycle, opens a path to re-engage the potential customers. For example, following a welcoming message to a new user, you can also send some beginner-only promotions to that customer. Meanwhile, a long-lost customer can be won back with a loyalty program and invite to make them purchase again. Follow-up messages at the end of a cycle are always warm courtesy. And after all, the customer is the king, and their opinion matters a lot. 4. Rating or customer feedback. You can seek rating or your customers' feedback through push messages. The advantage of this strategy is that they will never fail to notice this prompt. Question: how many push notifications can I send? Appmaker provides unlimited order status push notifications and extra push notifications according to the plan. Also, there is a possibility that too many notifications might be a nuisance for the customer, and there's a high probability of them uninstalling the app. Speak to our expert and find out your options. Question: how often do I send push notifications? The content of push notifications should be entertaining and informative. It should call for some action that is beneficial to both parties. Hence, it is better to send them sparingly, avoiding repetitions. The frequency of sending push notifications should be decided considering the different factors. Relevance to the content of your audience is an important factor. Call to action should not be sent more than once a day. Triggered notifications can only be sent if a certain condition is met. For example, location-specific messages. Confirmation messages and other purchase cycle messages can be sent as and when the status changes. Question: why do you have very few push notifications? We provide unlimited order status push notifications and extra push notifications according to the plan. However, if you wish to have more push notifications, you can always upgrade your plan to a growth or scale plan. Starter plan consists of 5 push notifications, while growth plan provides 10 free push notifications, and scale plan provides 15 push notifications respectively. Reach out to us to know more about the plan and its pricing. Question: how do you send push notifications? At Appmaker, we create them using Firebase Cloud Messaging. The best part of sending push notifications through Firebase is that you can completely control your push and send it to your target audience. Let's have a look at the step-by-step process. Step 1. Go to Cloud Messaging in Firebase and click on New Notification. Step 2. Type in your message in the notification text as shown below. Step 3. Create your targeted audience with this step and define the parameters. Step 4. Schedule a timing for the notification to be sent. Step 5. Define a goal metric as your conversion event to determine the results of your push notification. This is optional. Step 6. Finally, click on Review to do a final check. Click on Publish if you are sure to send it right now. And that's how you set up push notification using Google Firebase on your app. You can always reach out to us through Intercom or create a ticket at Appmaker Support. Thank you for tuning in.